Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello, my name is Sayyid Abdul Rahman. I'm a student of grade 9th Indian School, Doha, Qatar. Today we are going to do the first question of exercise 2.4. So 2.4 is our second last exercise of the polynomials chapter. So then after we have one more exercise in which we have 16 questions. So we are going to finish that as much as fast we can. So now what is the first question? So the first question is, determine which of the following are polynomials. The polynomials has x plus 1 as a factor. So we have to determine which of the following polynomials has the factor of x plus 1. Okay, now let's start with the first question. So our first question is here, we are having x also plus x plus 1. Okay, fine. So x cube plus x square plus x plus 1, and we have to divide it by x plus 1, right? We have to solve it with x plus 1. So x plus 1 is equals to 0, then x is equals to minus 1. So minus 1 is our remainder. So we are going to use minus 1 in this problem. So let's do the first one. Now the first one is x cube. So that means that will be, let's take p of x. So p of x is equals to x cube plus x square plus x square plus x plus 1. So now we have x cube, right? So let's substitute the values. So p of minus 1 is equals to minus 1 cube plus minus 1 square plus minus 1 plus 1, right? Then we will have, so minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, right? Minus 1 cube. So minus 1 into minus 1 will be 1 because both are same signs. Then 1 into minus 1 will be minus 1, right? So minus 1 will be as it is. Plus, now here we are having plus and here we are having minus. But before that we will see the square. So minus 1 into minus 1 will be 1, right? Because both are having same signs. So plus, so this will become plus. So plus and plus will be plus itself. Then plus and minus means minus 1 as it is. Plus 1. Okay, so now here we are having a difference, right? Now the difference is minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1, right? So we can subtract them both. So here minus 1 plus 1 means 0. Then minus 1 plus 1 means 0. So 0 minus 0 will be 0 itself. So we can tell that x plus 1 is a factor of x cube plus x square, x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Okay, so we can tell that x plus 1 is a factor of x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. So now let's continue the question number 2. I will erase this and then let's continue. Alright, so now let's go for the second question. So before going to the second question, the first answer was yes, right? Because we are getting the factor of x plus 1, that is yes. Okay, now x raised to 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. So we are having x raised to 4 extra. Everything left all everything is same. So now x plus 1 is equals to 0, x is equals to minus 1. So minus 1 will be our So minus 1 will be our first solution for solving any question. Left out these two questions. So let's go for the second question. So we are having minus 1 the value. So p of x, let's write the p of x is first. x raised to 4 plus x raised to x cube plus x squared plus x plus 1. Right? Everything is same. Then p of minus 1 is equals to minus 1 raised to 4 plus minus 1 cube plus minus 1 square plus minus 1 plus 1. Alright. So now minus 1 raised to 4 will be minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. Right? So minus 1 into minus 1 will be 1. Right? Then again minus 1 into minus 1 will be 1. So 1 into 1 into 1 is equals to 1 itself. So we can tell that the first one is 1. Then plus here in our previous question minus 1 into 3 minus 1 cube was minus 1, right? Then that will be minus 1 here also. Then plus, okay, so minus 1 square. So minus 1 in our previous question was minus 1 square was 1, right? So here also that will be 1 plus, here we are having different signs, then that will be minus 1 then plus 1. Okay, now minus 1 and 1 minus 1 will be 0. Then plus 1 minus 1. That will also be 0. So 0 plus 0 plus 1 is equals to 1, right? So we can't tell that 1 is not equal to 0, right? So we can tell that x plus 1 is not a factor of we can write the same question, right? We can copy the question of x raised to 4 plus x cube plus x squared plus x plus 1. Okay, so the answer is x plus 1 is not a factor of x raised to 4 plus x cube plus x cube plus x squared plus x plus 1. Okay, so we will continue the last two questions in our next video, inshallah. If I continue the last two questions in this video, then that will be a longer video, so let's not try to make it long. And I would like to end the video over here. So once again in this video, I request you all guys to subscribe my YouTube channel, like my videos, and share that with your friends, relatives or teachers, and comment me how I can do my improvement on teaching this. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.